Welcome to Operation Aries.
Hey Phoenix fam, what's poppin'? I'm welcoming you to my direct action mission video. This video is very long awaited and I'm super excited to finally show it to you, because this isn't a normal Airsoft gameplay. This is more of an Airsoft roleplay mission experience. This is a super special event you have to pay extra for to participate in at Overwatch 4. It is designed by the Echo 4 guys and they involve pyrotechnics, vehicles, blank fire and civilian actors. So let me explain where we start off. We, the Joint Task Force, JTF, are all here in a transport Humvee and we're being infilled to an area we don't know. As soon as we touch ground, the game is gonna begin and we have 45 minutes to accomplish our mission. Our mission is to sweep a trailer park to find a chemical bomb. There are 7 buildings that are in play, but we have to find the Task Force Rogue TFR bomb maker that is hiding in one of them, most likely working on the explosive device.
Objectives! You're to capture the bomb maker. I don't know why his picture, there it is. Capture the bomb maker, codenamed Tarkin.
We can decide where to be dropped off and which building to check first. We can interrogate civilians that are on site to get information about the location of our objective. If we encounter the explosive device, we have to defuse the chemical bomb and gather intel that could give information to the CIA operative.
He's working with chemical weapons. He may have all kinds of like chem suits and shit like that. Keep eyes out for intel. Keep eyes out for things that may be able to help you with dealing with the threat of this chemical device.
If that wouldn't be enough, a small JTF unit was sent in as scouts and we have to reinforce them and provide help as we have to exfil the area together.
We have JTF guys who are out there already. We've already sent them ahead in a Humvee. We got a small team. All they're gonna do is try to pull intel on what's going on in each of the structures and try to narrow down which of them is the bomb structure. We'll radio them when we get close to the AO. We're gonna sit off so we don't blow their cover.
The CIA field agent, codenamed Skywalker, is embedded with us to guide us through the mission. You will hear him shout quite a lot.
General Salem and his wife Anna were captured during the raid on the JTF.
He was the person who extracted the information of General Salem we captured with the success of Operation Hydra in May of 2017. You can see this damn mission linked in the top right corner now.
Your main objective is to find this bomb maker and get rid of whatever chemical weapon he's in possession of.
Actually, we had a safety and mission briefing before, and someone had to pay attention on how to defuse this bomb as our EOD. But luckily it wasn't me, as I had no idea how to work this schematic. And that's where we're at. Now let's go and catch the bomb maker.
We're going to building 7. They're going to be taking shots right now.
Let's get balling.
We are engaging Task Force Rogue right away as they are attacking our scout Humvee. Over the radio we hear that our lieutenant of the scout unit got hit.
We're gonna go get some
Let's go, let's go! Get off! Cover fire! Let's move, let's go, let's move! Move, move, move! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Building up! Get in there! Let's go! Clear this building out!
What the fuck is this? Go. Grenade! What's up, Felix? You got it. Do it. Right behind you.
One down in the bathtub! One down in the bathtub!
Hey! One left!
Clear!
I'm down.
It's clear, up.
Get him up.
Get out.
We clear, Pat.
It's clear.
Let's go! What are you doing?
11 o'clock. Get those
Move up, let's go!
We got a Sammy laying out front.
Oh, we're going to do it, guys. Together. Sleep out front of a campfire building with sticks over. Make the things at R! Let's go, move up! Spread out and take that structure! Clear that structure out! Let's go!
Hands in the air! Hands up! Hands up!
Hey, get this room. Yep.
Hey, cover that door!
Get that sucker away from me! Get going!
Don't shoot, let's go!
Just hey!
Ready? On you go.
Go!
It's clear.
Get out here! Let's go!
Stand by! Squad lead, what are we doing?
We got squad lead!
Squad lead!
Go! Trailer front!
Move!
Let's go!
Spread out! Get your fucking space and get your shit together!
Frag. Hey, come on, hit it!
Let's go! Get that fucking building!
There's a guy in the suit in here! Chemical suit
We got a guy
right
in a
here!
chemical suit, let's go!
There's a guy in a chemical suit right here!
Let's go!
He's right in here!
Clear it out!
Go
Let's
on!
go.
Get in!
Get that fucking building!
Put your hands in the air! Down on the ground! Down on the ground!
Check this structure, check the building, go! Somebody control him, let's go!
There's the bomb! The bomb!
Cuff him!
Cuff him in front.
I just want to say
I was unaware that the JTF or
Hey! Somebody restrain him in front of us.
Contact! Contact!
Where's my phone expert?
Hey!
Alright, we need a fucking schematic.
Who just shot me?
What? Talk to him! I don't give a shit.
He's shooting friendly.
Guys, I'm standing in front of schematics!
Find me a goddamn schematic! Search this building!
Guys,
We're inside building 5 attempting to defuse the device. You got a schematic?
Yep.
Alright, what's going on? Talk to me.
Alright, you good?
Alright, you remember your sequence, right? Alright. Follow your fucking sequence. Talk to me, man. How we feeling? What's going on?
Outside! Take him too!
Alright. Hey, negative. Remember, red wires. We're reporting there's red wires. We don't need them. Take your time, man. You're shaking. Breathe. You're gonna figure it out, all right? Take your time. Take your fucking time.
Hey, Pat, come here.
Yeah.
LCD. But the bridge is right there.
Yeah. Get out of the door.
Comes down over here to A3.
Okay. A3. Okay. You got your wires.
Hands in the
I can just push up on the red and hold the wire out. Timer sped up. Let's go. Shit.
Plugs in, battery. Goes into the
This is my better. Somebody else give me a flashlight over here.
What are you pulling?
Come on, man.
Get the ball. You got this. Get your gas mask on, let's go! Get those fucking gas masks going!
Gas mask!
Dude, that's a shit show.
Gas! Move! Mortar fire is inbound! Mortar fire incoming! Move!
Get it! Incoming mortar fire! Move!
Move to the puppy! Let's go! Let's go! Let him move! Let's go! Told you to leave!
Wait. He's down. Nice. There's a guy right here.
Let's go! In 30 seconds, let's go!
Hey, we ain't all gonna fit. Help her out! Everyone! Hey! Whoever gets the fit, we're running around sliding around!
Not everyone fits into the exfil Humvee, so we have to run alongside as we get ambushed by the rest of Task Force Rogue.
Let's go! He's taking it!
Holy fucking shit.
That was awesome.
Let me out of here.
Fly him out real quick.
Stuff.
So you guys all died, huh?
Whoa, I'm so sweating right now. That was intense. Holy crap. Hey guys, listen up.
Alright guys, I like to do a little thing called Thorns and Roses. We're just gonna go through the things I saw you guys did well and the things I saw you did bad. And the only reason I do that is so you guys can improve, alright? It's constructive criticism. After that, I'm gonna have you guys tell me the things you liked and the things you didn't like. And I always believe on that. First of all, I found that our squad lead, he was moving around. He was really good and he was on point. But when you guys were moving as a group, I always saw people running off into the shooting blank thing. They were running off into the distance all by their lonesome. You gotta rein those guys in. You can't have one guy running off into the distance and you can't stop him. Because what's gonna happen? He's gonna get killed and you're gonna have to Kazbak that guy. So that's important as an SL. Quick into a building, quick to ID targets. You guys weren't blasting my civvies right out the back. That's fucking awesome. We had groups shooting civvies left and right. So awesome job on that. Bomb guy. Who's my bomb guy? Fuck, dude. You were shaking like a motherfucker. I was like, come, dude. It's gonna be just fine. You guys were out for 25 minutes. In that time, it's amazing how much longer and different that feels than 25 minutes. Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but even me, like, you guys had my intensity.
That was 25 minutes. 2 minutes ago.
And my
Feels like 2 minutes ago.
I'm sweating like a pig. So, my voice like this.
No, he didn't do half of the shit. No, I don't.
Fucking on me!
We have to pick up every single piece of shrapnel from the pyro, so I'm gonna get you guys out here.
You're up ahead just running around. Good.
Let's go! Load up!
It's all volunteer work.
I hope you liked this super intense night footage direct action mission video. It was one of the most intense experiences I ever encountered on an airsoft field. It is being like in a real life video game. The Echo 4 guys and girls spend a ton of effort and work to set up these missions. So thank you for this amazing experience and thank you to Doomsday Airsoft for letting me check it out again. Over the course of the weekend, multiple groups did this mission, so we had a definite winner as they were taking everyone's time on how long they've needed to complete the objectives and in the end, exfil. I think these missions are super innovative in the airsoft sport and I would very much enjoy to see more of this in the future, especially here in Germany. Shout out also to all my friends and fam out there in America. This was awesome with you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Coming up soon is my entire Hilo gun run mission. So until then, bye.